Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Sun Institute. Dear friends, this is Sandeep Gupta, and today I'm in front of you having the problems of students. Students ask the different types of questions, in which I got questions that students asked me, sir, what they study, okay? And during exam or during asking the questions by the teachers, and they forget, they are unable to reply the correct answer what they have read, how they would reform this problem. And this is the biggest problem in our human being for the students. Do you know, the biggest reason is that they are not in the habit of learning, they are not in the habit of studying, because since last 2 years we are suffering problems of pandemic, COVID-19, and students were studying during virtual classes. And at the time of virtual classes, the parents provided the mobile phone, a smartphone to the students, and during the classes sometimes he quit the class and he started to playing game, and that is why they're not in the habit of studying. And the things which were being provided in the class through the actual virtual classes, the students were not being provided the things good. That is why we need to reform this problem, that the students are able to recall the things, that are able to remember the things. First of all, I don't say that they are unable to remember the things. They are not in the habit of sitting for 2 hours, 3 hours continuously, because they try to use phone in the time of using phone. During using phone, you know what they do? They used to play game, and now they are addicted to play game. And because of the radiation of the mobile phone, and because of the radiation, students were getting angry in the such less age, okay? So in the age of 16, 14, 9, if students are getting angry, students are just being frustrated. So I think this should not be good thing for us students. Students are very exuberant and very light-hearted. Students are very innocent and calm, and they should learn the things well, and they should make friendship with their books. Still they are unable. Do you know what is reason behind it? The reason is only one: they are unable to concentrate their mind towards their study. First of all, you must meditate them. Like me, I'm sitting over here. If I will not concentrate our mind, then how I can learn, and how you can learn, how other can learn. So dear friend, first of all, we must be able to learn the things by concentrating our mind. First, we need to be concentrate our mind towards the study what we are studying with. So I have a meditations that I want to tell you. If you really do at least 15 days, or even if you will do it 1 week continuously, make sure that your mind would be thoughtless. Now, in which I forget to talk about it. We are unable to learn because we have different types of negative thought in my mind. So first of all, we have to reduce these thoughts what are running in my mind, because these thoughts are heavy in my mind, and that is why we have to get rid of from negative thoughts. How we would remove the negative thoughts? And we have to make our mind while studying thoughtless, stressless. Now we have to become very exuberant, very happiness, very light-hearted while studying. So how would we become? How would we become? I want to tell you, dear students, you have to do one single things, that a meditation, that is called Tratak. What is Tratak? Dear students, you have to sit silently in a room which is very silent, that there is no anything in the room which makes you disturbance, which creates you disturbance. So please sit silently where no one is there in the room, and in that room you have to keep your thumb up in front of your eyes, okay? You may light the candle, okay, in front of your eyes, and you have to gaze this thumb. You have to look, you have to concentrate your eyesight on the nail of your thumb. Okay, and without blinking your eyes, you have to not blink your eyes, eyesight. Okay, you have to not blink it like this. Okay, you have to concentrate your mind on the nail of your thumb without blinking your eyes like this. By doing activity, you there will be creates different types of thoughts in your mind. By doing this activity, there will be creates different types of thoughts in your mind, and thoughts will come in your mind and it will goes in mind. Thought will come in your mind, it will goes in your mind, it will go from your mind. Okay, thought will come in your mind, thought will go from your mind. Now this process will start continuously. Different types of thoughts come again and again, again and again, again and again. Okay, that thought will come in your mind again and again, and you will think different. First thoughts, different types of thoughts will create your mind. Now create in your mind, comes in your mind what you did in your life. Okay, and slowly it will abolish, it will remove. Okay, it will flee away. So that is why do this activity. Okay, thought will come in your mind, thought will move from your mind, because if this process is being continued. Okay, so it means your meditation is good. Okay, so please do this process, and after completing this process, you will get amazing changes in you. After 10 or within 1 week, you will be see changes in yourself, that you can able to learn the things what you study. Dear guys, dear students, please start doing something. Okay, I don't want to create stretch this video long time. So please follow this. If you will follow this, you will get amazing changes. If you like this, and if you have any questions related to your problems, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to reply it. Okay, thank you so much for watching.